What's new? The Elroq arrives as the Volkswagen Group's smallest electric SUV to date and serves as the electric equivalent to the popular Skoda Karoq SUV. It also establishes a new design direction for Skoda called Modern Solid, awful name, and it brings a new front end that you'll see rolled out across future models from the Czech firm. A gloss black strip replaces the traditional Skoda grille, and new Skoda lettering at the front replaces a badge. After this, it appears Skoda ran out of design inspiration as the rear is just like an Enyaq. No bad thing, admittedly. But it's otherwise business as usual, with the Elroq mirroring attributes from other cars based on VW's MEB platform. Lots of space, a generally button-free interior, and a choice of versions. Choice is key, as it enables the entry-level 52 kilowatt-hour battery model, usable capacity, to start from $31,500, a cracking price for an electric SUV with as premium a feel as the Elroq. What are the specs? There are 3 different powertrains available on the Elroq. All rear-wheel drive, you'll have to wait for an Elroq VRS before you get a 4-wheel drive version in the UK. Kicking things off is the Elroq 50, using a 52 kilowatt-hour battery and electric motor producing 168 horsepower and 229 pound-feet torque. A 9-second 0-62 miles per hour is fairly leisurely by modern EV standards, but it can comfortably keep up with traffic and is generally more than enough pace. It's only when overtaking that you'll wish for more. You may also wish for more than its claimed 232-mile range. Just 5% of Elroq buyers are expected to choose it in the UK. Skoda continues the teasing campaign for the upcoming Elroq electric SUV, showing us bits of an uncovered model, following galleries with official sketches and photos of camouflaged prototypes. The company confirmed that the Elroq will premiere on October 1st during a special event in Prague, Czech Republic. The Skoda Elroq adopts the automaker's modern solid styling language, introducing features that will likely be used in other future production models. One of these is the Tech Deck Face, which is Skoda's way of describing the new and fully covered grille of the EV. More, 2025 Skoda Elroq is another MEB-based electric SUV, offers 3 battery packs. The Elroq has split headlights with matrix LED technology and slim bumper intakes. The profile has similarities with the larger Enyaq and features 19-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels. The rear has wagon references with a large tailgate and familiar taillights. As always, the sketches are quite exaggerated, leaving it to the real life to reveal the SUV's true proportions. The automaker said that the Elroq will introduce a new Timiano green shade, combined with unique dark chrome exterior accents. Earlier teasers were focused on the interior that will feature sustainable materials, including recycled post-consumer clothing, Recytin, made from 78% recycled, and Technofill, polyester and recycled econol yarns.